Hi guys, welcome back to Success Corner. We are here with daily chemistry MCQs. Today we are going to start P block elements. So before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Question 1. NO2 gives X plus Y and reaction is with water, so you should know what X and Y are formed. So X will be HNO2 and Y will be HNO3. So here both X and Y are acidic. So the correct answer will be option 4. Question 2. Black phosphorus is greater than red phosphorus is greater than white phosphorus. Order is not correct for. So as you know, black phosphorus is the most stable. So thermodynamic stability will be the most, followed by red, and least stable is white. So it is the correct order. Similarly, for density also, black phosphorus is the most dense, followed by red phosphorus, and the least is white phosphorus. In the case of melting point, black phosphorus has the highest melting point, then it is for red phosphorus, and the least melting point is of white phosphorus. Now for reactivity, the most reactive will be white phosphorus because of angle strain, and the least reactive is black phosphorus. So this is not the correct order. So the correct answer here will be option 4. Question 3. On hydrolysis, which compound gives methane? So you should know on hydrolysis what are the products formed with each of the given options. Now with Al4C3 with H2O, it gives 4ALOH thrice plus methane. And similarly for Be2C with water gives BeOH whole twice plus CH4. So that is also methane. So both option 1 and 2 give methane. So the correct answer will be option 3. Question 4. Find the incorrect match. So first is Al2Cl6 is 3 center 4 electron bond is present. Yes, in Al2Cl6 there is 3 center 4 electron bond is present. Second is Al2CH3 whole 6. All carbon atoms are sp3 hybridized. Yes, as you can see, sp3 hybridized हैं सारे carbons. Then I2Cl6 is non-planar. No, it is not correct because I2Cl6 is sp3d2 hybridized. That is 4 sigma 2 lone pair and it is planar. And let's see the fourth option, Al2Br6 is non-polar. Yes, it is non-polar. So we have to find the incorrect match. So the correct answer here will be option 3. Question 5. Correct statement is. So first is H3PO3 is stronger than H2SO4. No, you should know that acidic strength is directly proportional to the oxidation state. So therefore S has a higher oxidation state than P, so H2SO4 is a stronger acid. In aqueous medium, HF is stronger than HCl. No, in aqueous medium HCl is stronger. And third, HNO3 is stronger acid than HNO2. Yes, here the oxidation state of N in HNO3 is greater than the oxidation state of N in HNO2. So it will be a stronger acid. Let's also check option 4. So HClO4 is weaker acid than HClO3. As I've told earlier also, the oxidation state here of Cl is more in HClO4, so it should be stronger. So there is only one correct statement and that is option 3. Question 6. Which compound of boron there is presence of sigma and pi bond both? So in one of these there is both sigma and pi bond. So you should remember that in BF3 there is both sigma and pi bond and this pi bond is in resonance. So as you can see, so here the correct answer will be option number 4. Question 7. Which of the following species is not a pseudo-halide? So in pseudo-halide there should be at least one nitrogen present, and as in option 2 there is no nitrogen, so it is not a pseudo-halide. So the correct answer is option 2. Question 8. When H2S is passed through nitric acid or acidified KMnO4 solution, the product formed is. So when we take H2S with KMnO4, it gives MnO2 plus sulfur plus H2O, and this sulfur is in colloidal form. So the correct answer here will be option 2, that is colloidal sulfur. Question 9. Kyanite has a silicate anion of 3SiO4 tetrahedral that share 3 corners with adjacent tetrahedral. The formula of the silicate anion is. So you should know, you should be able to imagine the structure. So it will be in the form as given. So it will have 3 silicon atoms and 10 oxygen atoms, and the total negative charge will be -8. So here the correct answer will be Si3O108 negative. So that is option number 2. Question 10. In the hydrolysis of ICl, the products are. So ICl plus H2O gives HCl plus HOI. So here the correct answer will be option number 3. These were today's 10 MCQs. I hope you like this video. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.